Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about intersection. So in order to understand intersection between sets, we need to use certain functions or certain signs in Python. Let me illustrate it with an example. Here I'm having a set and the set name is set1. It has three elements, 1, 2, and 3. And my other set is set2, and it also has three elements, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see it here, numbers 2 and 3 are shared between these two sets. So 2 and 3 is shown in the first set and also in the second set. So how can I have a code that can give me the shared numbers between two sets? So I would like to have the expected output to be 2 and 3. This means that I would like to write a code, and that code computes the shared number, or let's say intersection, between these two sets and return me 2 and 3. We can do it in Python quite easily. We can use AND operator. So I type down the name of the first set and using the AND operator, and then the name of my second set. And these equation here, like set1 AND operator set2, is equal to my new set. So it is a intersection set. I name it intersection set. And then I use the print function and I type down intersection using the AND operator. And then I'm printing out my set that is called intersection set. So let me comment this part first. So when I run this code, I should be able to see numbers 2 and 3 in the output because these are numbers that are shared between two sets. So in the output, we can see intersection using AND operator, and the output is 2 and 3. So this is one way to understand the intersection between two sets. Another way is, again, I'm initializing a variable with the same name, intersection set. And what I'm doing, instead of using the AND operator and typing down the names of the sets before and after the AND operator, I'm typing down the name of my first set, then I put a dot here, then I type down the intersection keyword. So it is going to call the intersection function for me. Okay, so I'm typing down the intersection, and then in parentheses, I type down the name of my second set. So let me review. I type down the name of the first set, dot the intersection keyword, and in parentheses, I'm typing down the name of my second set. And then I'm having this print function to print the intersection set for me in the output. And I'm showing the message intersection using intersection function or method, let's say. Then I'm typing down the name of my set that is assigned to the intersection of these two sets. So when I run the code, again, I see this message intersection using intersection function, and the output, the result of this set is 2 and 3. So this is how we can use intersection to combine the code in a way that it can give us the shared numbers between two sets. And it's quite easy. Thank you for watching.